Hi, I'm Tony Sulla from Scranton, Pennsylvania. I'm currently enrolled in the Recording Arts program at Full Sail University, and I'm in month 3, and this is going to be my physics podcast experiment. So, hope you enjoy it. So I chose to do the Close Encounter podcast experiment, and its purpose is it demonstrates the attracting and repelling forces between objects due to their electrical charges. It's really fun, easy experiment. All you really need for it, some string, got some balloons, tape, a ruler, and a marking pen. And you're set to start your experiment off. So here's what it's about. Okay, so once you're done setting everything up, what you need to do is you grab a balloon and you rub it up against your head like this, and you're going to put it back next to the other balloon that I haven't rubbed up against my head yet and see what happens. So let's check it out. Okay, so when I rubbed the one balloon on my head, both of the balloons attracted to each other. Now we're going to try rubbing both balloons on my head and see what that does. Okay, to sum it all up, matter is made up of atoms which have negatively charged electrons spinning around a positively charged nucleus. When I rubbed the balloon on my head, the negatively charged electrons jumped from my hair onto the balloon, thus making it a negatively charged balloon. So when I hang the negatively charged balloon up next to the other balloon that I didn't rub up against my head, since like charges repel each other, these negative charges in the balloon that I rubbed up against my head repel the electrons in the atoms of balloon that was hanging. So basically what it does is it causes the surface of the balloon that was hanging there that I never rubbed up against my head to be more positively charged. So now that each balloon has two different charges, they attract to one another. So it's basically the same idea for the second half of the experiment that I did. When you rub both balloons on your head, they both build up a negative charge. Thus, when you put the balloons next to each other, hanging, instead of attracting as opposite charges do, they repel from one another because they are both negatively charged. There's enough repulsive and attractive forces between the balloons to cause them to move without even being touched. So that's my experiment.